So in this RBC tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to send an international money transfer on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go into the bottom right hand side and press on Move Money. Once you're here, I want you to go down to where it says International Money Transfer and press on that. Once you're in the international money transfer page, it's pretty straightforward. Where it says transfer details, you're going to go ahead and select the account that you're looking to send the money to. So if you wanted to send $100 to someone internationally, you'd go ahead and press on checking right there. Then you press on the recipient right there, and then it'll show you the transfer fees. Then you can press continue and then follow with the steps that way to complete your international money transfer transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to send an international money transfer on the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.